Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I am Ritika. In today's video, we are continuing our series of building a directory website using Divi theme and GeoDirectory plugin. In this video, we will see how to develop the footer of our directory website. So let's get started. Coming on to WordPress dashboard, then going on to appearance, go to customize and then footer. Choosing how many columns we want to keep in the footer. We are keeping it 4, and from the footer color background we will be choosing the color. We are choosing the color black. Then after coming back, click on widgets option. Then we will be designing here. Then clicking on footer area 1, click on plus icon, taking the paragraph. We will be adding some text here. For this we will be opening up a site here. This site has also been created through Divi. So we will be creating a similar footer, but the logo will be different. So we will be copying text from here and then we will paste it here. Then clicking on down arrow, then click on inline image. Then we will set our logo and add it. We will cut the logo from here and paste it over there. So now our logo can be seen added. Now coming back onto wizards. So from here we will be changing the title quick links. Then click on select menu and then select quick links. That we have already created from backend. Then coming back onto footer area 3, that is column 3. Then click on plus icon and type menu in the search area. Then click on navigation menu and then we will edit title to important links. Then coming on to select menu, we will click on important links. Then the links present in backend can be seen here. Then coming back onto the 4th column, we will be adding the latest post. For this, clicking on the plus icon, then type posts. Then we will click on this post block and we will insert it here. So now whatever will be the latest post will be shown here. Now we will be adding a title to it, clicking on the plus icon, then taking the heading, then edit it to latest blogs. Then changing H2 to H4. Then we will drag and drop it above. Then we will publish it now and check it in the front end. So now coming on to front end, we will refresh it. So now our footer can be seen like this, which we have created. That is quick links, important links, latest blogs. There's some gap created over here below the latest blogs. So we can rectify it by custom CSS. For this we will be inspecting it. Now after selecting this, we will check its bottom margin. We will edit it to 0. And then copy rule it back to WordPress dashboard, then appearance and then customize. Then coming on to additional CSS, then pasting the CSS, publish it. Then coming on to front end, then we will refresh our front page. Then now you can see the additional gap has been removed now. Everything is separate now, and these links which can be seen at bottom have been created in the footer and aligned there. This menu is coming from the footer menu. So this was our today's video of creating footer of our directory site. In our next video, we will show you home page using Divi theme and GeoDirectory plugins. So stay tuned. We also provide directory site development services. So if you need a customized solution for your directory website, we can help you. You can hire us at BuddyDevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.